Imagine stepping into your Ford on a chilly morning, already warmed up and ready to go. That's exactly what the Ford Remote Start package delivers: effortless remote start functionality using your factory key fob. No need to juggle extra remotes or worry about compatibility. Just press the lock button 3 times, and your vehicle starts right from your pocket. This kit is designed exclusively for automatic transmission Ford vehicles, giving you seamless integration without any guesswork. When I first got this kit, I appreciated that it uses your original factory keys for programming. Cloned or copied keys won't work, ensuring security and proper function. The installation isn't fully plug-and-play, but it's close. Thanks to the semi-plug-and-play design with a T-harness, the wiring connections are significantly reduced compared to traditional systems. You'll still need to make 2 to 4 wiring connections, mainly around the steering column and fuse box area, but clear, color-coded instructions make the process manageable. Even if you're not a pro, someone with basic wiring knowledge can handle it. Plus, MPC provides exclusive step-by-step tips and free technical support during business hours, so help is just a call or email away. One important note: this kit isn't compatible with diesel engines and works only with automatic transmissions. Also, parking lights require an additional fuse link and relay, which are not included. The wiring mainly centers on the 28-pin BCM connection near the fuse box, so expect to remove some panels for access. While it takes a bit of patience, especially if you're working in cold weather, the end result is worth it. You get reliable remote start without carrying extra remotes or complicated setups. If you're ready to add convenience and comfort to your daily drive, this Ford Remote Start package is worth a look. It keeps your vehicle ready to roll with minimal fuss, letting you warm up or cool down your car before you even step inside. Plus, professional installation is available nationwide if you want to skip the wiring altogether. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your Ford experience. Remote Start has never been this straightforward.